Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to redeem code on Google Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to redeem code in Google Play Store, first open up your Google Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us at the top right corner. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the payments and subscriptions option available for us. Just below the notifications and offers, tap on payments and subscriptions, and you'll land on this kind of interface where you can see the fourth option where it says redeem code. Now in order to redeem the code on Google Play Store, tap over there and this kind of interface will appear, and you can see your logged in account of your Google account at the top of the screen, where you can also scan your gift card on this interface if you don't want to enter the code. Now tap on the scan gift card, and this kind of camera icon will open where you will be able to scan your gift card. And let's go back, and over here enter the code of your gift card over here, and after that, when you have entered the code of your gift card over here, you can see the redeem button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that redeem button, and then your code will be redeemed on Google Play Store, and that net worth will be added to your Google Play Store account. And that being said, guys, this is how to redeem Google Play Store code. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.